Hey, welcome everybody. I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to learn more about Actives and their amazing products. But first, I want to give a shout out to all you lawyers out there and let you know that this presentation in no way guarantees or makes any claims as to how much money you can make, and no statements on products have been reviewed by the FDA. Now, wasn't that fun? So who is Actives Global? Well, they were founded in November of 2017 and market scientifically validated products designed to activate and maximize genetic potential. Their first launch was in Mexico in December of 2017, and the first 9 months in business produced growth rates averaging 35% month over month. With the launch in the United States in September of 2018 and further expansions already planned in Peru, Colombia, and Japan, they are set to become a global powerhouse. So, you may be asking, with such a young company, how can I be confident of their success? Well, with any startup, looking at the essential elements for a successful company are a must. So what are those 3 essential elements? The people, the products, and the plan. So let's peek inside. David Brown, the founder and CEO, has over 25 years' experience in nutrition, retail, and network marketing. He, along with Ryan Thompson and Angie Hawthorne, have built a string of successful companies and have come together to do it again. With their long history of success, they have been able to attract some of the top names in the industry, forming a world-class management team with a proven track record second to none. With the team assembled, the next target were the products. The product philosophy of Actives is to bring to market scientifically backed products that are effective, reasonably priced, and exclusive. To assist in this endeavor, they assembled an advisory board consisting of doctors, researchers, and organizational leaders in order to consult on the selection of products. After months of research, it became apparent that the first product to bring to market was one focused on the gut. Be advised, this isn't a probiotic. It's a short-chain fatty acid necessary for effective gut function. Produced by a patent-pending process, this supplement is highly bioavailable and designed to be delivered where it's most effective. Don't think we're only talking about digestive problems here. Consisting of over 200 million neurons and producing over 90% of the neurotransmitters used by the body, the gut is truly the second brain. Given its makeup and the amount of neurotransmitters produced, the gut is also connected with metabolism, brain function, mental health, the immune system, the skin, and so much more. The gut is the hub that affects a host of other bodily functions. The skincare line was expertly formulated by leading skincare professionals to activate the skin to perform optimally. 3 powerful products combine to exfoliate, moisturize, and refine and smooth pores, buffering off years of aging. Our scientifically backed ingredients have been shown to reduce up to 7 years from your skin. The results after our initial 30-day trial have been nothing short of amazing. Not content on stopping there, products relating to brain function, inflammation management, and circulatory health are on deck to come out in the next 6 to 9 months. So they certainly have their act together in regards to management and products, but what's in it for you? Well, as a loyal customer, you are entitled to rewards and discounts. You can receive a discount of 20% on your very first order by signing up on our preferred program, which of course can be canceled at any time. 20% is just the start, because the longer you stay on the program, the more your discount grows, all the way up to 30%. If that wasn't enough, you can also refer other customers and earn credits towards future purchases. Not content just receiving highly discounted and amazing products? Then maybe distributor is your gig. With a compensation plan combining the simplicity of affiliate programs and the earning potential of multiple layers, you can earn up to 20% on your personal customers for some quick cash, and then really get your volume going by teaching others to do the same. Are you a serious entrepreneur? Grow your sales even more and earn shares in the global bonus pool and share in multiple sales channels in every country where business is conducted. As part of the global bonus pool, you're part of a team where everyone can work together and earn together. Now, typically at this point in a presentation, you're enticed with talks of large fast start bonuses, the lure of a fancy car, or all-out retirement being just around the corner. What's not mentioned is all that upfront money needs to come from somewhere, and where it's taken is from long-term residual income. I mean, have you ever heard of somebody making less in month 6 than they were in month 1? Or how about that fancy car they're no longer getting a bonus for since they lost qualification? And the most notorious of all, the percentages paid for commission. The plan says 10%, but wait, that's only on commissionable value, not sales price. So that's really just a way to overinflate the numbers. Actives was able to design a plan from the ground up specifically with you in mind. The goal of our plan is for the average person with reasonable effort to be able to make $500 to $1,000 a month. And when the plan says 10%, it really means 10%. So let's take a moment. What could you do with an extra $1,000 a month? Well, I just said I wasn't going to show you a fancy car, but maybe that's on your list. The important part is that it's your money and the car is on your terms. Maybe it's going on vacation. Sure, your job may give you 2 weeks off, but do you have the money to do anything with it? Or maybe you're like so many of us, and we're really just looking to be able to spend more time with our children, or take the whole family out to dinner once a week. Whatever your reason, ultimately, it's not the size of the check that you're really looking for, it's what that check can do for you. So think about it. What's your why? Got your why? Excellent. Now, what's your plan? So many of us are caught in the cycle of work, school, Facebook, sleep. I mean, really, how much time do you spend on your phone? Hey, don't be hard on yourself. It's an easy trap to get stuck in. But look back over the last year. Have you gained any ground? It's time for a change. So what are your options? Well, if you're like 37% of Americans, your answer is to get a second job. But not only does that steal more of your precious time, part-time work typically doesn't pay very well. 49% of those with a second job make less than $200 a month. Well, how about another option? Not everyone has money to invest, but we all have the same 24 hours in a day. The typical job involves trading your time for money. That means you start at zero after every paycheck, and if you don't work, you don't get paid. How about trying to invest your time into the potential for long-term residual income? Residual income is money that's paid multiple times and can potentially go on long after the work is put in. So, there you have it. Actives has all the elements to be a long-term successful company. The people, the products, and the plan. Well, almost all the elements. The only thing missing now is you. Let today be the day you choose to live your life activated.